Imagine waking up each day with a sense of peace, regardless of what challenges lie ahead. What if you could navigate life's ups and downs with unwavering resilience and in doing so, naturally attract people who uplift and support you? The answer might just lie in the ancient wisdom of Stoicism, a philosophy that's been guiding people for over 2,000 years. But what does it mean to be Stoic? And how can this philosophy help you not only withstand life's challenges, but also attract positive relationships into your life? Section 1. The core principles of Stoicism. Stoicism is more than just suppressing emotions. It's about mastering them. At its core, Stoicism teaches us to focus on what we can control and accept what we cannot. This simple yet powerful shift in mindset allows us to maintain inner peace, no matter what life throws our way. Section 2. Building resilience through Stoicism. Resilience isn't just about enduring hardship. It's about how you respond to it. Stoicism equips you with the mental tools to face adversity with grace and strength. By focusing on your inner world, you develop the resilience to overcome external challenges. Section 3. Attracting positive relationships with Stoic principles. When you embody Stoic principles, you naturally attract like-minded people, those who value calm, wisdom, and emotional stability. By practicing Stoicism, you cultivate relationships based on mutual respect, understanding, and genuine connection. Stoicism isn't about suppressing emotions or becoming indifferent to life. It's about finding strength within, staying calm amidst chaos, and connecting deeply with those who value the same. Embrace Stoicism, and you'll find yourself not only more resilient, but surrounded by positive, enriching relationships. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the Inner Odyssey for more insights on living a fulfilled and resilient life.